next industry keynote, which is on leveraging AI and cloud to help people stay healthy. And we have with us Andy Chun, the Regional Director, Technology Innovation, Prudential Corporation Asia. Well, Andy is a leading technology pioneer and global visionary with 3+ decades of innovation experience in a range of industries, including insurance, finance, health, transportation, education, and government. Well, in just about the next 1 minute, he's going to be joining us on the stage and screen. Over to you, Andy.
Hi, welcome to my talk. My name is Andy Chun. I'm the Regional Director, Technology Innovation for Prudential Corporation Asia. It's really my honor to be here at the World Cloud Show Singapore. My talk today is titled Customer-Centric AI Digital Ecosystems for Health and Wealth. Firstly, a bit about myself. I've been working in AI for well over 30 years, starting my career at an MIT startup in Boston, doing logistics scheduling and optimization, mainly for airlines and airports around the world. After that, I was a computer science professor and an AI consultant in Hong Kong for over 20 years and had the pleasure of creating many of the major AI systems here. I joined Prudential over 2 years ago to do work relating to our post-digital ecosystem, which this talk is about. Before I talk about digital transformation AI, let me just spend a few minutes introducing the company where I work. Prudential PLC is headquartered in the UK with over 170 years of history. In 2019, we had a demerger of our European business, so our operation now has a strong Asia focus. Prudential, together with eSpring, our asset management arm, operates out 15 markets in Asia, including China, India, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and others. We have access to basically half the world's population with a market that is low in insurance and mutual fund penetration. So there are a lot of opportunities for growth. We are currently top 3 position in most of the life markets in Asia. We also have an operation in Africa, operating in 8 markets with a total population of 400 million and highly underprotected. In US, we have Jackson, which is leading in retirement income. The market is strong with 10,000 Americans retiring every day for the next 20 years. By the way, there's another insurance company in the US called Prudential, but we are totally unrelated to that company. Today, I would like to talk about some key challenges and trends in the worldwide insurance industry and what Prudential have been doing in those areas. These challenges include coping with the new norm and the changing of consumer needs as well as new consumer behaviors. But most of our daily activities, including work, school, and shopping, all move online. It is more important than ever for companies to go digital. Those companies without a digital presence or without a good digital customer experience are disappearing quite quickly. There is now a high sense of urgency to be fully digital and for a company to undergo digital transformation ASAP. COVID-19 has truly accelerated digital transformation. Some studies estimate that COVID-19 have pushed digital transformation adoption by 5 to 7 years. I believe that is true. For the insurance industry, this is very evident. Prior to COVID-19, due to government regulations, products had to be sold face-to-face. After COVID-19, insurance regulators around Asia quickly established new policies and guidelines for virtual selling. Now, roughly 90% of our products in Asia could be sold virtually. However, digital transformation has its challenges. It has become harder to stay close to your customers, and that is where AI can contribute through online digital footprints and touchpoints. AI, with all the data that has been collected, helps companies better understand customers better, their demographics, their personal preferences, as well as needs. AI will allow companies to innovate and create products and services better, faster, and cheaper. Another trend we see is the growth of digital ecosystems. According to McKinsey, ecosystems will account for 30% of global revenues by 2025. We at Prudential have created digital ecosystems of complementary services and products that caters to a full range of health and wealth needs. Our ecosystem is embodied in an app we call Pulse by Prudential. Furthermore, our Pulse ecosystem was designed with an open API that allows us to easily tap into other digital ecosystems operated by our partners, such as large e-wallet players, retailers, telcos, allowing us to expand our ecosystems even further. Another trend in the insurance industry is the rethinking of our traditional roles as an insurer, where there are practically no customer engagement and the only customer interaction is when there is a claim. Prudential has now moved to a role that is more of a partner in helping customers become healthier and wealthier. Customer engagement and interaction is frequent and daily. Our app Pulse is really first of its kind. It is an all-in-one AI-powered app. This list is just a partial list of its health-related features. That includes things like symptom checker, digital twin, dengue alerts, health updates, and so forth. With COVID-19, interest in our Pulse app has been tremendous. We launched the app late last year before anyone could foresee a pandemic coming. We started the year with 500,000 downloads. The slide was from May when we had 4 million installs. Now it's roughly 12 million across 12 different economies and available in 10 different languages in the Asia region. Bite-sized digital products are also sold in full digital mode through the app. Pulse is a digital ecosystem for health, wealth, and SMEs to help companies manage their employee benefits. As an ecosystem, we provide full range of capabilities through internal development as well as partnership with service operators as well as other digital ecosystems. At Prudential, our mission is making our customers or anyone who uses our app healthier and wealthier through technologies like AI. Our app is free for anyone to download and use. Why are we doing this? A recent study by the World Bank and the World Health Organization shows that more than half the world's population does not have access to essential health services. We believe apps like Pulse is a big step towards making healthcare more accessible to many more people. By providing tools to help customers take charge of their own health, many premature deaths could be avoided through better fitness and dieting. The World Bank estimates that every 2 seconds, someone aged 30 to 70 years old dies prematurely from non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular disease, chronic respiratory disease, diabetes, or cancer. Many of these can be avoided through better diet planning and regular exercise. On the wealth side, people also need help to better plan and manage their money. Just like health, they need nudges to encourage them to save. Over half the world population 55 and older currently have nothing saved for retirement. In fact, after COVID-19, the two main concerns for consumers are really their health, how to stay healthy and avoid getting sick, and their finance, how to ensure financial security. These are exactly the two issues addressed by our Pulse app. Most of our Pulse app services are free. It is only when you use telemedicine, for example, to see a doctor or other premium services. At Prudential, we believe the best way to solve the health and wealth challenges is to use highly scalable AI to provide valuable health advice or money management advice to anyone who needs them. We believe we do well by doing good, providing affordable, mostly free, and easy access to quality healthcare and money management tools and services for all. There is a saying, data is the new oil and AI is the new electricity. At Prudential, we make use of AI to make sense of all the data collected to help determine what is best for each specific customer, such as the best fitness plan, best dieting plan, best chronic illness management, best savings, investment plans, etc. Data drives our personalization and recommendation engines so that we can provide the best advice possible. Our app is called Pulse by Prudential. It's available in the Google and Apple App Store. Because of COVID-19, our download has went from 500,000 earlier this year to roughly 12 million now, where people need quick access to health and wealth related content. Our Pulse app has many features to keep our customers healthy. Depending on the country where you download the app, the features may be different. However, we have a set of standard features such as the health check. After performing a health assessment, you will be presented with a 3D image of the health statuses of your body and various organs. We also have an AI symptom checker, which is probably the most sophisticated AI doctor around and embodies decades of human knowledge in the medical domain and talks to the user via a chatbot. There are a collection of other useful features, such as finding the nearest hospital or ones with the shortest waiting time. In some countries, we have dengue alert to let you know if you're in a neighborhood with high risk of contracting dengue fever. And when you're sick, Pulse will help find a network doctor. In many countries, we also provide telemedicine so that you can talk to a doctor via your phone's camera. This is a great feature since with COVID-19, people prefer not to go out of their homes. There is a slew of AI functionality. This is one example, BMI Selfie. Take a selfie and we will tell you your BMI. We encourage users to do this daily to keep track of their exercise progress. And in some countries, you will get added health coverage for free if you maintain good daily BMI. If you take a selfie video, our AI deep learning extracts key vital signs such as blood oxygenation level, respiratory rate, heartbeat counts, etc. Sort of like a instant health check with a video. AI machine learning allows us to understand our digital customers much better. AI also allows us to treat each person as an unique individual with unique goals and needs. AI acts like a virtual coach to help our users stay healthier and manage their money investments better. And you are very lucky today as I'm going to share a magic formula of success with you. It is DX plus AI is equal to awesome CX, customer experience. Digital transformation is only useful if transformation is done intelligently based on fact and data. By doing so, customers gain by getting an awesome user experience, which is totally seamless, frictionless, and effortless, and just what they needed. Feel free to share this magic formula, but remember to quote me. Besides awesome customer experience, digital transformation together with AI really allows us to offer the right person with the right product at the right time in their life and at the right price to match their fitness, health status, for example. And most importantly, right now and totally frictionless. My last slide to reiterate what really drives us at Prudential to do what we do is to fulfill our mission and forever promise of making our customers healthier and wealthier through technologies like AI, machine learning, and data combined with digital. Thank you for listening to my talk. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any.chun@prudential.com.hk. Thank you.